Norfolk pine installation video. After removing the flower pots and trees from the box, connect the lower part of the flower pot to the middle component. Then, connect the accessories to the top. The top part consists of individual branches, so please arrange each branch separately. The bottom section uses hinged branches. Simply open each hinge and arrange the 5 branches to create a full appearance. Refer to the image to adjust the shape of the branches and leaves to achieve the desired fullness. Tip: place some stones or other heavy objects you prepared in the flower pot to improve stability. Finish.